Take a ride in the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, climate control, cloth upholstery. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.